Learning Premiere Pro is annoying, so let's learn Premiere Pro in the amount of time on the screen. Let's open Premiere Pro. It should look like this, and these are your past projects here. Click on New Project, give your project a name, a nice one like Gandhi or Martin Luther King, and press Create or just press Enter. After that, the view should look like this, which can be scary to some people, but not me. Here are different panels, components, and stuff like timeline, import area, preview window, source clip preview window. First, let's close what we don't need right now. Media browser, we don't need. Libraries, we don't need. Info, we don't need. Effects, we do need. Markers, we don't need for now. History is a subject I didn't like much, so we don't need. Up here, metadata, we don't need. Now, I want you to slide these things around exactly like I'm doing here. Now, it looks more like other editing softwares which you may have used, and it will be easier to learn now. This tool is a selection tool, or basically the mouse in Premiere. This is the razor tool. You can cut or chop clips with this, and this one is text tool. You can write text with this. We are gonna need these three tools for the most of the time. Now, let's actually import some clips and learn while editing them at the same time. Double click in this import area to import your videos, audios, or images. Now drag a video to the timeline. This blue thing is a playhead. I hope you understand what a playhead is. To cut, you can use razor tool. To undo the cuts or whatever you did in Premiere, just press Ctrl+Z, the undo shortcut. You can also use the shortcut to cut a clip. I forgot the default one, but I have set mine to A, and I have set the shortcut for delete to D, so that I can keep my fingers in a gaming format. Now you can delete this with delete. You can also delete the empty spaces. Just select it and press delete. Anything you put in the above layer will appear above the below clip, which totally makes sense. Now here in effects, you have effects, audio transitions, video effect. You can put the transitions between clips like this. Now to effect controls. Here you can edit the properties of the selected clip like position, size, volume, and this source clip window is when you want to preview your clip first and want to import only a part of it into the timeline using these markers. Now you may see these audio and video are linked together. If you want to edit them separately, just press Ctrl+L to unlink them. Last thing to learn is the text tool. Just click anywhere in the video using text tool and type whatever you want, and by going in effects you can also edit the text as well. Now if you have not figured it out yet, yes, the above portion in the timeline is for video and the bottom one is for audio. Now the only way or the best way to learn Premiere even more is to start editing and learn things on the way.